Hi, good morning. Now I'm going to take a seminar on the concept of mitosis and meiosis. What are mitosis and meiosis? Both are types of reproduction used during the cell cycle. Each type of cell division are specialized for different types of cells. Both undergo the cell cycle in very similar yet very different ways. Important definitions in the mitosis meiosis was DNA, a molecule composed of deoxyribonucleotides and contains the genetic information of living cells. Chromosome, a single DNA double helix together with the proteins that help to organize the DNA. Chromatid, one of the two identical strands of DNA and protein that forms a replicated chromosome. Gene, a unit of heredity, specifies the amino acid sequence of proteins and hence particular traits. Allele, one of the several alternative forms of the particular gene. Locus, the physical location of the gene on the chromosome. Uh, Next, diploid, referring to the cell with pairs of homologous chromosomes. Haploid, referring to the cell that has only one member of each pair of homologous chromosomes. Homologous pair, two homologous that are similar in appearance and genetic information that pair during meiosis. Heterozygous, carrying two different alleles of the given gene. Homozygous, carrying two species of the same allele of the given gene. First, you see the mitosis. Mitosis is a division of the chromosome in the cell, usually followed by cytokines or cell division. Daughter cells produced after mitosis have same number of chromosomes at the original cell. Purpose of mitosis is replication of somatic cells and asexual reproduction. Somatic cell include all cells in the body except the egg or sperm. Next, meiosis. Meiosis is a division and reduction of the chromosomes of the cell. Daughter cell produced have half the chromosomes as the original cell. Purpose of meiosis is the production of gametes, sex cells. Next, stages of the cell cycle. The stages of the cell cycle includes interphase, synthesis, propose, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Interphase and synthesis of stages of mitosis and meiosis. During interphase, the cell carries out the normal activities such as metabolism and protein synthesis. During synthesis, the DNA in each chromosome is replicated. Next, we see the proposals and metaphase stage of mitosis. And the prophase stage. In this stage, chromosomes condense and would be visible under the light microscope. The nuclear membrane degrades. In the metaphase stage, the chromosomes line up along the equator. Next, anaphase and telophase stages of mitosis kinesis. In the anaphase stage, the sister chromatase separates and moves to the opposites of the cell. In the telophase stage, one set of each chromosome reaches each pole. Cytokines begins and the cell divides into two, creating two liquid cells. Generally, the meiosis, the cell cycle occurs in meiosis 1, meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, first you see the prophase. The chromosome visibles homology pairs of the chromosomes come together to form tetrads. Crossing over the occurs when the chromatide of the one chromosome in a pair exchanges segments of itself with the chromatide of the other chromosomes in the pair. Next, in metaphase 1, the homologous pairs line up along the equator of the cell. Next, anaphase, homologous pairs of the chromosomes separate and move to the opposite poles of the cell. In telophase, the chromosomes complete the migration to the poles of the cell and cytokines occur. In meiosis 2, no new DNA replication takes place. In propose 2, the spindle fiber reform and chromosome begins to move to the middles of the cell. Metaphase 2, the chromosomes line up along equator. In anaphase 2, the sister chromosomes of each chromosome separates and moves to the poles of the cells. In telophase 2, the chromosomes complete migration, nuclei reform and cytokines occurs. Meiosis produced 4 applied cells. Crossing over of the meiosis, increase the number of allelic combinations, increasing different possible physical expressions and characteristics. allows species to try very combinations and find the best combination that suits their environment. Thank you.